Hey guys, so Shelby here, your Scentsy lady, and I have a reveal for you. This is January's warmer of the month that literally just arrived. I am super excited to open it. I had a old warmer in this place as a placeholder for this one, so I am going to get this one unboxed right away. I am not one that goes super crazy about Valentine's Day, but I saw this warmer and I just thought it was too cute not to have. So, oh, sorry, hit the camera. Oh, and I love it when it's so easy to just unpack and not have to put a bunch of pieces together or have, a bunch of things. Look at that. There it is. How pretty is this? So, it is an element warmer. So that means that there is a heating element. There is no bulb. There's no light that's going to come out from here. And I will show you that when the light, or when this is turned on, this is an indicator light. And that will show that it's on. So, oh, I should have brought the scent of the month. See, look how cute that is already. Okay, let's see if this plug, oh good. I'll fix all of that later. Okay, so question. I'm not sure if I want to put this up on one of our raised. I have a square one too. I'm thinking this square one might be better just to give it a little height. But we have cord concealing stands that are awesome that you can use to wrap up the excess cord, because I can't stand, look at that, I can't stand that being bunched up behind there. So there is a cord concealing stands that you can use, and what they do is you wrap the cord up underneath. Hey Sawyer, can you run into my office and get the pink bar? I think it's on the third thing, one of the things that is hanging up on the wall. Pink, it's called Candy something. Oh, I'm drawing a blank. Candy something, I know. Shoot, it doesn't help me. Okay, maybe it is cute just on its own down here. So, here is this month's warmer of the month. Don't mind my sad little sparse eucalyptus. I couldn't find the rest of it. I don't know why. Some of it got put in one place and some in another. Who knows, when, we're getting ready for Christmas and stuff, and now I can't find it.
There's 2 different parts.
Okay, let me see, babe.
I'm confused.
Let's see. No, they're both the same. Candy Orchard. Candy Orchard. There we go. Candy Orchard. So this is the scent of the month. It is super sweet, but almost a tart scent with it. I like it. I really like it. Oh, and I believe raspberries. I was not prepared for doing this video because I didn't bring the description of it either. But I'll write it in the description when I post this. So here it is again. Look at it. It almost has an iridescent look to it. It's so pretty. And the wax is just going to go right up there. I really like it. And I think it looks adorable right here. And then I'll just debate if I'm going to put it on a stand or not. But right now I'm really liking it like that. I think it's kind of cute. So this is January's warmer of the month. And the scent of the month, Candy Orchard. If you have any questions, please comment. If you want to buy, you can always go to my website, which is shelbymariewinkel.scentsy.us. I will link that in the description. Or if you want to find me on Facebook, it is Wax Mama of Weatherford. And Instagram, it wouldn't let me keep the same one, so it's Wax Mama Winkle. Yeah, it's frustrating, but there it is. January's scent and the warmer of the month that is so cute, perfect in time for Valentine's Day, and just love all around. Have a wonderful day, guys.